to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1.2 TSI finished in Monsoon grey. This is a 3-door model, it's a 95 PS output. Features include LED daytime running lamps built into the headlights. There's also front fog lights. The car's fitted with 15-inch alloy wheels. It's also on the old tax scheme, therefore 12 months tax for this car is just £30. Seat badge doubles as a boot handle, with a practical loading space and the option to increase the capacity by folding on the rear seats. One-hand operation to gain access to the rear seats. Car seats 5 in total. Has electric windows and mirrors. Leather multifunction steering wheel. The vehicle's covered just over 7,900 miles. Being a 16 model year, has the integrated media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation, also traffic updates as well, air conditioning, storage at the front with a 12-volt power source, USB and 3.5mm auxiliary. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.